The Nissan Z is back, and for 2027, it looks sharper, faster, and more aggressive than ever. This isn't just another sports car. This is a machine built for drivers. A modern icon inspired by the legendary Fairlady Z heritage, but engineered for today's performance world. And trust me, this new 2027 Nissan Z is seriously exciting. One look at the 2027 Nissan Z, and you immediately know what it is. Low, wide, muscular. The front fascia now looks even more aggressive with sharper LED headlights and a redesigned grille for better airflow. From the side, the classic long hood, short deck proportions remain untouched, and that's exactly what enthusiasts wanted. This silhouette screams pure sports car. At the rear, Nissan gives the Z a cleaner and more futuristic look with updated LED taillights and a sportier diffuser. And honestly, the green paint with black roof combination looks absolutely stunning. It has that perfect balance of retro DNA and modern aggression. Now let's talk power. Under the hood, the 2027 Nissan Z is expected to continue with its thrilling 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6. That means around 400 horsepower, with possible performance trims pushing even higher. Power goes to the rear wheels, exactly how a real sports coupe should be. And yes, Nissan is likely to keep the manual transmission option alive. That alone makes this car special in today's market. For enthusiasts, manual plus twin-turbo V6 plus rear-wheel drive. That's a dream combo. Expect improved suspension tuning, sharper steering response, and better cornering performance. This car isn't just built for straight-line speed. It's built for pure driving excitement. Inside, the 2027 Z is expected to get meaningful upgrades. A more premium cabin, better materials, and updated tech. Expect a larger infotainment display, digital driver cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and improved driver assistance systems. But Nissan knows something important. The Z isn't about overload. It's about keeping the driver connected. Everything inside is focused on one thing: the driving experience. The 2027 Nissan Z proves that performance cars still have soul. In a world full of EVs and oversized SUVs, Nissan continues to build something emotional. Something exciting. Something fun. The Z remains one of the last true affordable sports cars. And that alone makes it worth celebrating. So, would you choose the 2027 Nissan Z over rivals like Supra, Mustang, or BMW Z4? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.